Hey folks, Garrett here for Fossil Rim Wildlife Center. As a part of Wolf Awareness Week, we have given you an idea of what regular care of these animals looks like from a vet perspective. Along with that, we also have a couple procedures that you will get an inside look on.
So this week we looked at several of our maned wolves for routine exams, and the main reason we look at these maned wolves is because that species has a predisposition for forming urinary stones, bladder stones, and if we're not checking for those bladder stones consistently and regularly, then we can have stones that become large enough that they can obstruct the urethra, which makes it difficult for that animal to urinate, which is a life-threatening complication. So for this exam, we did the same things we do for most of our carnivore exams, which is a full physical examination. We do radiographs, we do an ultrasound, we pull blood work, and when we're looking at all of those tests, we send additional testing out in the case of the maned wolves to look for those stones and to look for the crystals, which are the early stages of the stones in the urine. So the ultrasound exam for maned wolves is very important because it allows us to actually visualize the bladder and check for any evidence of stone formation in the bladder at the moment of the exam. So that's very helpful. And in addition to that, on radiographs, some stones you can see them on radiographs and some stones you can't, depending on the formation. So we also look very closely at the radiographs in the maned wolves to make sure we don't have evidence of stones on there.